Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Here we have a vacuum robot. Okay, here's the model. Black color. Back. Here's the side. See what's in the box. Just gonna slide it out. Quick installation guide. Super thick instruction manual. The robot itself. Some bristles to spin here. Wheel here. Wheels here. Mop here. This is one side. And there's top, laser on top, and then all these sensors on the side. Some foam to prevent it from moving. Right, that's. We have the bristles here. Just one set. Another set here. Filter. Microfiber. Or no, another attachment for the mop. Docking station. There's a port here for a charger. Power adapter. Yeah. And cleaning tool and cutter for something. Hair to cut hair. It's stuck in the bristles. And that's everything. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.